0 to 3 seconds. Look at the pyramids. Massive, precise, built thousands of years ago.
No bulldozers. No crans.
How? Not alien tech. Not magic. It was brilliant human ingenuity, organization, and simple physics. Ancient Egyptians didn't have steel, but they had stone saws, copper tools, and an astonishing understanding of leverage and ramps. Think about the sheer volume of material, millions of limestone blocks, each weighing tons. They hauled these using sledges over sand, often lubricated with water. Ramps, likely spiraling or straight, were crucial. The Romans? Their concrete was so advanced it still stands today, outlasting modern versions. They understood volcanic ash mixed with lime to create durable, waterproof structures like the Pantheon or aqueducts that supplied entire cities. These civilizations mastered planning. They commanded immense workforces, organizing them with incredible precision. They leveraged basic principles: the wheel, the lever, the inclined plane. They used time, patience, and collective effort on an epic scale. It's a testament to what disciplined human minds and hands can achieve, guided by fundamental science and immense purpose. Want to explore more ancient wonders? Hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Which ancient structure amazes you most?